Communist Party is very terrible, you know.
Hey, what's up, internet friends? I got a great piece of footage for you guys today. So if you haven't heard the news, there's this thing called Truckistan going on right now. So the truckers in Canada are protesting the vaccine mandates, and they've decided that they will use their positioning as the men who haul freight from one end to the other to essentially bring the supply chain to a stop. And it's having great effect. Trudeau has called them terrorists. I think the news in Canada is calling them Russian bots. Everyone hates them, so that means they're on the right track, apparently. And if you watch the news, you wouldn't really get the truth of what's really going on and why the people feel the way they feel, because the news isn't going to tell you the truth about regular people. Now, this one lady apparently totally gets it. And as she said, she escaped from China maybe 20 years ago, and she knows exactly what these guys are protesting against and why we should be on their side. She makes a great case, and it's just heartwarming to see, you know, true diversity show itself finally, and it's actually on the side of freedom. True diversity is on the side of freedom. I don't know if you got that part yet.
My friend asked me, give the money to your hand.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
so...
Okay.
Sorry. I come from Montreal. I cried all the way when I saw the person on the bridge, you know.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I already do e-transfer online, but I still want to do more for you. We all fight for freedom. I don't want to hear change to PR China, you know. I escaped from China. How many years? I don't want to hear change to China, you know.
Yes.
Communist Party is very terrible, you know. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Well, there you have it. A Chinese woman tearfully thanking a black man for standing up to communism. 2022 is going to be a great year. I can't wait to see what happens next. But guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you later. Thanks. Hey.